here in the capture window, what you can also do is have some presets. So over here, you can see that there's the image right here. So I'm going to select, let's say, for example, panoramic. The effects is going to be shadow, and there's going to be a file share option right over here. Preview in editor and copy to clipboard is turned on. Time delay is turned off. So now what I can do is I can create a new preset from current settings right over here. So image effect right over here, as you can see, and I can add a hotkey onto this. So let's say Shift 6 is the hotkey in order to select this preset. You can also go around and then create new preset right here, just like that. Create preset from new current settings, or create a new preset entirely, and then choose around the preset. So just like that, I'm going to go around with shadow, not shadow, but filters effect right here. And then I can choose email share option, and I can go to, let's say, scrolling window. On the video side, I can maybe like go around onto Camtasia right here and window. So you can capture the cursor right here, save the preset, and that is the second preset, as you can see right here. You can rename out the preset as well. And as you select it, the presets are just there. So if there's settings that you wish to work around with it and change around quite often, then you might want to go around with the preset right over here. So Shift 6, if you were to press in Shift 6, what happens is that you have the preset right over there, just like that, and there's the panoramic capture. So just like that, you can go around, shift the preset right here immediately, and then work around with it. And that is how you can import, make new presets and then use presets inside of Snagit capture window. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.